So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonimus, and in today's video we are going to discuss about very interesting job roles in WNS Global where freshers as well as experienced candidates can apply. So as always we are going to be covering eligibility, how to apply and the interview related questions and answers. So be there in the video till the end, and in this video I am also going to explain you difference between remote work and work from home. In case you haven't watched my earlier video, I had explained that. So let's start today's video, but before that just subscribe to my channel and like my videos to support my channel. Now the first job role is for operations associate that we are going to discuss. Here any graduate can apply. You need to have good communication skills, oral as well as written, good computer skills, especially you should be proficient in MS Excel. So please watch my video for MS Excel questions, and you should have analytical skills. Regarding the job description, here you will have to process data and analysis for an airline to support airline cargo operations. So airline cargo data you will have, and then you will have to make reports on that Excel reports. So you will be majorly working with Excel sheets, and freshers can apply. It is not a technical job. They will explain you how this work is done, so it can be easily learned if you get selected. Now the very important thing, the interview rounds. So first of all, they want good typing speed in this. So they will take a typing test. It will be hardly 2 to 3 minutes. They will give you a small paragraph. You have to keep writing it, and then they will measure your word per minute speed. It should be around 30 words per minute with 90% accuracy for this job role. Now round 2 will be comprehension test. Now please understand, this is a big test. This is a very important test in WNS Global. They will test your English grammar. They will test your reading skills, reading comprehension skills, in the sense they will give you some paragraphs. They can also give you either an essay or letter or email. So either one of these things will be given, one or two of them. So letter, essay or email writing, and some questions will be related to maths, but maths question will be pretty easy. So it's a 2 hour long test and you have to pass this one. Then the round 3 will be the HR and manager interview. So for round 2 you need not be afraid, just go through my videos for English grammar and aptitude test for Amazon, as well as words and writing test where you will know how to write email. Now, regarding the salary details, the salary is in the range of between 20 to 30,000 per month or 2 to 3.6 lakhs per annum. And location, it is a remote work and the office will be in Pune. So what is the difference between this remote work and work from home? So that I'll explain you so that you can know. So remote work can be done from anywhere except office, like home, cafe or co-working space, whereas work from home is usually work from home only, and it is a part of remote work. In remote work you may partly have to go to office in between. So sometimes for in 1 month or 2 month company may call you to their office, but the expenses are borne by the company only, and work from home is usually permanent. In remote work, company usually will provide you accessories like laptop and all these things. In work from home, mostly companies want you to have your own accessories. In remote work, it includes flexible schedule, and in work from home, schedule is more or less fixed. So these are the main difference between remote work and work from home. Now regarding the operations interview questions, they will be tell me about yourself so you can prepare accordingly. Why do you want to join WNS? So again, talk about good things about WNS. How would this job help in your career? That you have to tell. You have to align your goals and aspirations with this job role. Why do you want to get into a BPO? Because it is a BPO, WNS Global. Are you willing to work on night shifts or rotational shifts? Because shifts can be rotational here, and they will definitely ask you Excel based questions. So go through that video thoroughly. Now the next job role, it is also a non-technical and a very interesting job role in WNS Global. Here you need to be a graduate and you should have ability to read American English handwriting. So uh, they just want to check that you are able to read that handwriting. and then you should have I for detail. Now regarding the job description, here you will have to review the event's video clips and mark the driver behavior as per the event. So it is more or less like a fleet management job. So somewhat like transport associate in Amazon. So here LYTX Litex is a software which records the videos of drivers. So the company's drivers will be taking their products from here and there, and you will have to track where the driver is, what is their behavior. So sometimes if the driver's behavior is risky, you have to report it. So I'll just show you a picture from this app only. So as you can see, this driver is driving and watching on mobile phone also. So this is a risky behavior, and you will be able to watch the video of the driver on this software. So you just have to keep watching the videos of different drivers and report what they are doing, where they are, and if they are behaving any risky or displaying any risky behavior. So it is this kind of very simple job. Now regarding the interview rounds, round one they can give you some American English handwriting written stuff and you will have to read it. So they will check if you can read that. Round two similar comprehension test. Round three HR and the manager round. Now salary for this role is between 3 to 4 lakhs, so somewhere around 25 to 35,000. Location again remote work as I told you, but office is in Vishakhapatnam for this location. So here you will not have to relocate to Vishakhapatnam, but you may have to go in between, like in 2 or 3 months, something like that. So regarding the interview question, they will be pretty similar. Just for this job role, prepare this question: what is a driver logbook? You can find it on Google. It is a very simple document where driver marks what distance they have covered in a particular day. So you have to be aware about this. Now how you can apply? So I will take you to their website where this job has been floated. So you can see here this Litex associate which I have shown you. So you can read the full details here, and if you feel, you can just go to I am interested and apply with your details. So you can apply with Indeed, which is a job portal, or you can just fill in your details, your personal information, mobile number, these kind of things, experience if you have any education, and your LinkedIn profile, etc., and resume, and just send it. Other job role also similar on their website. You can just click I am interested and fill in the details and apply. So friends, I hope this video would have been useful for you. So please do like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more such videos in future. And I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.